Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by searching with the Creative Commons filter so you only see reuse allowed clips. Once found, open each video and verify the license statements in the description to confirm reuse terms and any required attribution. Then copy the video URL and download the highest resolution available using a trusted tool. Doing this first prevents quality loss later. Make sure to keep the original file names and a simple spreadsheet of sources, so you can cite creators accurately when you compile footage. Once you have clips, import them into your editor and set a consistent project profile. Matching frame rate and resolution avoids jitter or black bars. Trim unnecessary segments, color match shots for visual consistency, and normalize audio so levels feel even. This prevents sudden volume jumps. Also check for embedded copyrighted music. If present, replace or mute it. As you edit, add your own voiceover or new footage to transform the material, which strengthens fair use and gives viewers original context and value. After editing, upload the finished video and craft a clear description that includes attribution, the original creator name, source URL, and the Creative Commons license type. This is required. Add timestamps, tags, and a note describing how you transformed the material. If you plan to monetize, ensure the license permits it. If a content ID claim or takedown occurs, respond with evidence, screenshots of the original license, your download record, and a short explanation of how you remixed or added new content. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.